Is this one of Bape's best design hoodies? And here they are, the ABC Camo Reversible Shark Hoodie. Now, it's been some time since we've had a reversible shark hoodie. Hence, especially with the popular ABC Camo. The last ABC Camo Reversible, if I'm remembering right, the point of no return 2017. Yeah, it's been a while. So not surprised that God damn it! The last reversible hoodie though, the 2021 Bape OVO reversible shark hoodie. Whoa, that reminds me, the 2023 Bape OVO collab.
Get that off my shit right now. Get that off my shit right now.
Anyways, so we have an all black body with a half camel face, all the ABC camo on the right side of the shark face. ABC camo green, ABC camo blue, and here is the ABC camo pink. You know, half camo shark face has always been a personal favorite design. Not too much camo, not too little, just perfect. Other than that, just like any other regular shark hoodie. Obviously in the name, it's reversible. So basically, you get two sharks for the price of one. Similar concept to the separate shark hoodie, which is also kinda two sharks in one, but you gotta buy two separate shark hoodies and then you combine them. Y'all know what I mean. Now, some of the differences from the regular ABC camo and this reversible ABC camo. Camo print will always be the same, but the hoodie's cuffs and waist will always match the main color of the hoodie. Other stuff, only on the reversible side, the shark face will be screen print. And last, something I don't like, the tag that's always on the neck is never on the neck on a reversible hoodie. It's always on the inside of the left side pocket. Now, the reason I don't like it, it takes a little bit of time taking the shark hoodie completely out, unzipping it to see what size it is.
Does Harvey know about you and his little bunny? Where are they? Where are they?
Well, there it is, guys. The ABC Camo Reversible Shark Hoodie. What y'all guys think? And as always, all available on the site.
But wait! There's more!
The newest Bapestar OS. So along the whole ABC Camo conversation, we have the patent versions from back in the day, the canvas version, the style version, the icon version, and now on Bape's latest OS, Overstar version. Now, instead of the upper being the ABC Camo pattern, we have just the colors that represent the camo. That being the red, pink, blue and light blue, and green and light green. Now, where the whole ABC Camo pattern comes in, and obviously the best part, we have it showcased in this clear, translucent outsole.
That's a 10.
Yeah, that's That's real nice. Thinking back, we haven't had too many clear outsole Bapesters. Let me think. Shark face that glows in the dark, Bored Ape, the skates the 3M light reflection. So yeah, that being said, it gives these latest Bapesters a bit of a more specialness to them. Also, this particular colorway is perfect for the Valentine season.
And she got to the point where we were in action, and she said in my ear, "Go deeper. Stay with me now." And what hurt me is I was already all the way in. So I had ran out of PP.
Alongside the Valentine's Day season, Bape drops the Rose Ape Head tee. A bouquet of roses shaped as the ape head. Yeah, it's alright. But honestly, I was never into Valentine's Day themed t-shirts, so... But hey, that didn't stop it from...
What?
Well, there it is, guys. The latest in Bape. What y'all guys think? Let me know in the comments. And as always, all available on the site. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Pressure.